brokers, I was very impressed. I know that I was speaking with George directly, and every time I had a question and every time I wanted to know something, he responded very quickly. And he didn't really have working hours. He would text me very early and he would respond very early and respond to my text even 10 o'clock at night. So the communication was great. I always got the answers that I was looking for, and professionalism is up there. There wasn't anything that I necessarily asked for that I was told that it wasn't possible or I wasn't told no. So yeah, really good. But once I spoke with George, he immediately spoke with the seller and managed to arrange a time when it would be convenient to speak. And then once we spoke with the seller after that, it was just, everything was very professional. The seller was more prepared than I was expecting. The seller was very prepared. I can tell you that over the past year or so, I have been searching for a business and I spoke to so many sellers and many different brokerages and many different companies. And honestly, didn't speak with a seller that was more prepared with the questions, with the responses, with the commitments. Like when I asked him a question, he took the time to respond, and he would create a loom if I didn't necessarily understand it. And when I asked for bank statements, he would send it a few hours later. So he was very prepared. I would definitely recommend e-commerce brokers to anybody searching for a business. As I said previously, I've been searching for a long time for a business, and I couldn't have been happier with the decision, with the communication. Everything went very well.